What's up, you guys? This is Eddie Cantu from Ingeniousgiftshop Productions, and this is what I am doing right now with the cucumbers. It's cucumbers with lime and Tajin, and I hope you learning something. It's a very easy food to do, some snack, you know. So now let's try it. Let's take a bite. Want some? Really good. Gotta try this at home. It's really, really good. Got the lime and Tajin and, you know, cucumbers. Yoo-hoo. Gotta try it at home, guys. So good. Real easy to make. You can even grow your own cucumbers at home in your own garden. They grow huge. Not this one, they were bought at the store. See that juice? You can't even take a zip. So good. Kids love this. Real easy to do. Cucumbers, squeeze a lime, Tajin, if you want to use Tajin. You don't have to. it will just give it a flavor. The flavor is just like, oh God, so good. Wanna try some? You want some? Take a bite. Take a bite. Fork. This is delicious, guys. Real delicious. The lime. There's no juice left. You want to see the lime juice? Look at the lime juice. That's what it looks like. Let's take another zip. Okay. No, it's not hot. It's just delicious. You gotta try this at home, guys. It's delicious. Cucumbers. Okay. It's a cucumber, one lime. You add salt and the Tajin. This is the Tajin right here. All right. If you want to buy it at a Mexican store, I think they have it also at Walmart. Don't put a lot of salt, just a little bit. You know, taste it, see if it doesn't taste salty. Do not put a lot of salt, just a little bit. All right. You know, so and so. And that's how you do. Real easy to make a snack. Okay, I'm almost done. Look. Another zip. I'm gonna take a zip of the lime juice with Tajin. A little bit of salt. Ah, so good. Nothing left. That's how good it was. Now I gotta wash the dishes. So I have to wash the dishes now. Well, this is basically it. If you enjoy this video, well, make sure, you know, to Try this at home. Really good for your family, for you, your family, your kids. They'll enjoy it. It's real healthy. It's a vegetable, and it will taste good with the lime, a little bit of salt, and Tajin. If you want to add Tajin, you don't have to, but it's your choice. You're the one that's going to eat it, but it tastes really good. Tajin you can also use with a fruit mix. You know, when you cut, like when you cut mangoes and pineapple, all that fruit, you can also use it with it. But make sure to try this at home. It's really good, delicious. Like, it's yummy. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video, share the video. Thank you for your time. Make sure to make sure that you go around the description box below, check the links for my merchandise. Click on the links and they will take you straight to my stores for Ingeniously Productions, which is my filming company, and also for Ingenious Gift Shop. Okay, and those are different products that I designed, and you might be interested in them. All right, so make sure to check that out. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to answer you back. Other than that, thank you for taking the time with me here at Ingeniously Productions. If you haven't subscribed or this is the first time in the channel, make sure to subscribe if you like my content. That will help me a lot with the algorithm. All right, but like I said, thank you for your time. Make sure to, like I said, thank you for your time. Thank you for being with me here with Ingeniously Productions, and see you guys in the next video. The food was delicious.